nutrition and diet. Water. Although all the others nutrients, the body also needs an adequate supply of water. For these purposes, we must drink milk, buttermilk, lemon juice, sharbat, fruit juice, and plenty of water. Means if our body needs nutrients, vitamins, with the help of that, water is also important for our body. Means water is also required for our body. That's why you have to take the milk, buttermilk, or fruit juices, or plenty of water in your daily diet. Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in a proper proportion from the diet. If in your daily diet your body is not getting the proper nutrients, then malnutrition is occurred. This happens when a person does not get sufficient food or when she diet is not balanced. If person is not get sufficient food, अगर उनको sufficient खाना खाने को नहीं मिलता है, then that person is suffering from a malnutrition. If one's diet exceeds one's needs, it is called overnutrition. You know, some people are eating some people are taking more diet. Means what happened in their body, then that people are suffering from overnutrition. Now see, observe this figure: malnutrition and overnutrition. This boy is very slim and this boy is very fat. This is called as a malnutrition because उसकी बॉडी के लिए जो भी न्यूट्रिशंस है और जो भी खाना है सफिशिएंट उसको नहीं मिलता है. उसकी वजह से this boy is suffering from malnutrition and this boy is suffering from overnutrition. Why overnutrition? Because this boy is eating more diet. हाँ, जो भी फूड है वो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में ले रहा है, उसके लिए दिस बॉय इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम ओवर न्यूट्रिशन. जंक फूड. ऑल ऑफ यू नो जंक फूड. चॉकलेट्स, नूडल्स, बर्गर, पिज्जा, चिप्स, बॉटल soft drinks, attractive packet snacks are also ready foods, are ready fried foods available in the market, such as vadas, pakodas, etc. are very tasty and we like them very much. All are eating this, no? Chocolate, noodles, pizza, Maggie, pasta. All these are a junk food. But this junk food is not good for our body. This is not good for our health. However, these food tubs contain refined flour, sugar, oil in a large proportion. When refined flour is made from a wheat or then sugar is made from a sugar cane, many nutrients in the wheat or sugar cane are lost in the process. Means जब sugar cane से sugar बनती है and wheat से flour बनता है and that time उसमें जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं. Hence all we get from this food is energy and our hunger is sufficient. Naturally, if we eat a lot of junk foods, we will get insufficient quantities of the atoms from other food groups. If you are taking a junk food in a large quantity, then your body is not getting a sufficient quantity of food types of other groups. This happens frequently. Our body soon excretes as a shortage of protein, vitamins and minerals and that may lead to malnutrition. तो क्या हो जाता है, हमारी बॉडी को प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन में विटामिन्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिल जाते हैं, देन दिस इज लीड्स टू malnutrition. उसकी वजह से भी malnutrition हो सकता है. जंक फूड ईट फ्रिक्वेंटली also causes obesity. Obesity is not good for our health. Obesity means malnutrition, very fat person. As such food do not supply all the necessary nutrients, they are called as a junk food. What do you mean by junk food? As such foods do not supply all the necessary nutrients, that are called as a junk foods. Means junk foods means जो भी food items है, these are not supplying in a necessary nutrients. This is called as a junk food. Obesity means fatness. See, these things we have to do and these things we have to avoid for obesity. Which things you have to do? Have a balanced diet, take your diet balanced, eat whole grains, eat fruits and vegetables with their skin. Eat the whole grains, take the food and vegetables in your daily diet. Increase use of bicycles, play more outdoor games. If it is necessary for a short distance, you use a bicycle and play outdoor games. All these things avoid your obesity. You have to do these things. And which things you don't do, these are given here. Do not eat if you are not hungry. If you are not hungry, then don't eat. Do not watch TV while eating. This habit is for all of you. You are eating in front of TV, but this is not good for our health. This is not good for our body. Do not use motor vehicle for traveling a short distance. If you are going for a short distance, you use a bicycle or go with a walking. Avoid pre-cooked or packed food. Avoid pre-cooked means जो भी ready-made foods होते हैं, junk foods होते हैं, you can avoid that foods. Adulteration of food. Adulteration means जो भी हमारा food है, प्योर फूड है, उसमें मिलावट की जाती है, उसको बोलते हैं अडल्ट्रेशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ अडल्ट्रेशन. इन ऑर्डर टू अर्न मोर प्रॉफिट, cheaper substances of low quantity are mixed with the foodstuffs. Means शॉपकीपर क्या करते हैं, उनको प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा चाहिए, इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, वो जो भी हमारा प्योर फूड स्टफ है उसमें सेम कलर का वो भी सिमिलरली टू दैट फूड स्टफ कुछ भी क्वांटिटी का मिक्सचर उसमें मिक्स कर देते हैं और कुछ भी सब्सटेंसेस उसमें मिक्स कर देते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ अडल्ट्रेशन. These substances are called adulteration and adding them to foodstuff is called adulteration of food. Adulteration may even be poisonous or harmful to health. Such adulteration food is impure and harmful and so unfit for consumption. और जो भी adulteration food है, this is not good for our body. This is difficult for consumption. Adulterants used to adulterate food or such that they will remain unnoticed even when mixed with the food. See, here one table chart is given. Food items and adulteration. Now milk में क्या ऐड करते हैं, वाटर. अगर मिल्क में वाटर ऐड करते हैं तो मिल्क की क्वांटिटी क्या हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है और उसमें वो शॉपकीपर का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फायदा हो जाता है. तो अडल्ट्रेशन मीन्स क्या आएगा, मिल्क है, केमिकल्स है, केमिकल्स लाइक यूरिया है, स्टार्च है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर एडेड इन मिल्क. मीन्स विच आर द अडल्ट्रेंट्स, वाटर, केमिकल्स, यूरिया, केमिकल्स लाइक यूरिया एंड स्टार्च. Chili, you know chili is red color. They are adding brick powder or powder pumpkin, peppercorn, papaya seeds, ice cream, washing soda or pepper pulp, rice, small white stones. You know rice is also white color. Then they are adding the small white stones in that rice. And peanuts, reddish pebbles or stones. These are the adulterations.